All right, listen up, because I think I just found one of the craziest AI tools for creating realistic videos. I've been testing Higgsfield Marketing Studio, and the results honestly look like real high-budget commercials. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process I use to create these cinematic AI ads, show you the prompts, and break down how to make your videos look way more realistic. So if you want to create insane AI content for brands, clients, or social media, you're definitely going to want to watch this. But before we get into it, make sure to like and subscribe. And let's dive in. So this right here is the AI tool. And from the very first glance, right from the get-go, you can see that there's truly lots and lots of different things you can do with this AI tool. Over the course of this video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step on how you can generate ultra-realistic videos all inside one single interface. If you look around at the dashboard, you can see that there's lots of things you can do with this AI tool. Like you can see over here, it has the Higgsfield viral presets, it also has the supercomputer option, and DTC ads for businesses, and they all work so well. Think of this as an all-in-one generative platform that gives you everything you need all in one interface. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see that there's lots and lots of tools right here, like this Nano Banana Pro, as well as Seedance 2, and of course Higgsfield very own Cinema Studio 2.5. And if you scroll further down, you can see there are templates here for popular videos. Like there is this Korean basketball template that you can try, and the actual quality you get with this is astonishing. If you scroll down further, you can see it has ChatGPT Image 2, and it's not only that. You can see that it's as well an all-in-one platform, because if you look over here, you can see that it has the Higgsfield Marketing Studio, which is currently the best tool out there when it comes to creating UGC ads, unboxing videos, and even try-on hauls. And they all generate super ultra-realistic content. Firstly, what you want to do is scroll back up, and if you head over to the image section, you can see, once again, there are lots of models here. But all you have to do is click on Create Image, and you'll be loaded over to this interface. But what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be generating our own model that we will then use in the Higgsfield Marketing Studio. So just head over to your prompt box and you type in your prompt. I can say, young woman wearing a t-shirt and a skirt, standing in her bedroom. Just like this. And you can as well select the model. For this, I'm going to go with Nano Banana. For the aspect ratio, I recommend going with 9:16. And as well, choose the quality, which I will leave it at 4K. Lastly, we're going to be generating 2 images. All you have to do is click on Generate, and our image is currently being generated. Just give this a couple of minutes while it processes and generates. And in no time, we have these beautiful images right here. And honestly, it adhered to the prompt perfectly. So just choose whichever one you like the most. For this, I'm going to go with this one and click on Download right here. And once it's fully downloaded into your device, all you have to do is head over to the Marketing Studio right here, click on it, and you'll be loaded over to this interface. And from the get-go, you can see that there's truly a lot you can do with this AI tool. Like if you click here, you can see that you can make UGC videos, tutorial videos, unboxing, as well as hypermotion. Well, firstly, we're going to be trying out the UGC videos, so just select it right here and head over to Product and click on it, and all you have to do here is either upload the product link or you create it manually, which I will do so. So just click on Create manually and upload the image of your product just like this. And once everything is ready, all you have to do is put in the product name, like I will say this, and description. I can say an energy drink, and click on Create Product, and the product will be added here manually. So all you have to do is click on it and head back, and it'll be uploaded automatically. You can then choose an avatar like this. You can see that there are lots and lots of models here to choose from. You can as well create your own by uploading the image we generated earlier, but for this, I'm going to be going with Valentina right here. So just select the avatar and head over to your prompt box. I have this prompt right here, which I can just paste it in. It's basically telling the AI to create a UGC ad for us. All you have to do is click on Generate right here, and our ad is currently being generated, as you can see on screen. Just give it a couple of minutes while it generates our video for us, and in no time at all, our video is ready. Let's play it and take a look.
If I'm dragging after a workout, I grab this Gatorade. Tastes great, hydrates fast, instantly feels better. If I'm dragging after a workout,
Honestly, that was really good. Let's play it again.
If I'm dragging after a workout, I grab this Gatorade. Tastes great, hydrates fast, instantly feels better. If I'm dragging after a workout,
It took the product image and incorporated the avatar and made this super realistic video, and it looks really good. You can as well click right here and download it straight into your device. So that brings us to the very end of this video. Now you know how to generate ultra-realistic ads using Higgsfield Marketing Studio. The link will be in my bio, make sure to check it out, and also don't forget to like and subscribe.